All right, guys, December the 17th, we're out here in Marietta, Georgia. This is a new client. This is Miss Sue Ann, but we're doing the job for the contractor that did some work in her house, and they accidentally, one of his workers accidentally put Rejuvenate all over her floors, and it's smudgy, it's blotchy, and it has a film on it. So they sent me pictures. I never came out, looked at this job. They sent me pictures and the measurements. I came out here. We are here today to take care of the floors for Miss Suzanne. We're not doing anything to the floors, but stripping off the wax, cleaning the floors, and neutralizing the floors. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we just came from doing that job in the granite countertops in Cumming. She just asked me for my Google link so she can write me a review on Google. I would greatly appreciate that. So let me show you guys what we got going. So these are engineered floors, have a light layer of Rejuvenate, and it's a pretty nice size job. But so guys, if you look really close, you see all the smudges all through, and it's throughout the whole house, all through here. So for example, look right here, guys, you can see where they moved the rug. You see that line right there? So they went around the rug. So that's another indication you can tell. All right, so you're not going to notice none of that when we're done. All of this, oh, look at that, guys. It looks really bad right here, especially when the sun. So all of this, all of this, all of this, you can see the footprints. All of this on both sides. So right now we're just setting up. Now what we are going to do, guys, again, we don't move furniture, but we will slide furniture. So what we're going to do is just slide the furniture back and forth as we're going. Okay, not moving the beds, nothing really heavy. Not going to move this table. Miss Sue Ann said do not move the table, just go under the rug. Okay, over here, which we've already started treating. All right, then we also have a catwalk hallway upstairs. And then we got this masters right here, okay? And then they also did it on her towel, so we want to also clean the towel as well. All right, guys, we're going to get started.
Yeah. Now, I don't know who thought this was a good idea, but somebody put that Rejuvenate on an engineered wood floor. Another company tried, couldn't get it right, so they did some research, watched them videos, and that's when they found me. Yeah. Marietta, Georgia, we here now. Contractor had a crew, somebody made a move, put a shine where it did belong. Wax buildup sitting heavy on the grain, engineered floor feeling all wrong. They called one company, then they called another, still that haze wouldn't leave. So they searched a little deeper, watching videos, and they said that's who we need. To the wood now, clean it up, neutralize, buff it smooth, let it breathe when the shine look right again. That's the difference expertise makes, yeah. Yeah. Engineered floors need a different hand. Not every shine is a friend. Rejuvenate tried to take control, but today that story ends. Slow and steady, proper process, that's how you get it right. No shortcuts, no cover-ups, just real work, real shine.
See, wax ain't permanent, but bad decisions can be costly. That's why knowledge matter, experience matter, and patience.
Yeah, patience matter. Wax don't live here no more. We stripped it clean, brought balance back. Neutral floor, smooth reflection. No haze, no
Marietta, Georgia. Engineered floor saved the day. Clean, neutralized, buffed, and done the right way.
Yep. Wow. All right, guys, we are doing our inspection with Miss Sue-Ann. Floors came out great. And she actually told me another company or person tried to come out here and get the wax up, and they were not successful. So that's when they had to find someone else, and they found me, and floors came out great. So what we did, we emulsified the wax. We also did the towel in the bathroom. No more scuffs and those lines that were everywhere. Looks really, really good. And that's gonna do it. So tomorrow I will be presenting a class for countertops with my instructor Robert Falzone, who flew in from Nevada. And we're going to be doing a class, online class that will be pre-recorded. So a lot of carpet cleaners and wood floor guys are wanting to get into the countertops, and this will be a great opportunity. So that's what we have tomorrow. And Friday we have a huge screen and recoat with UV cure, and Saturday we have a huge hardwood floor screen and recoat with UV cure. And Monday we have 2 jobs. How does it look, Miss Sue-Ann?
It looks good. What I want to do is, I'd like to move this over just a
Now Miss Sue-Ann, she actually measured her rug. I think I've seen this a few times where people measure the rugs so they know exactly where they go. So she can see right there, guys. So that's something my wife would do. So I'm kind of used to it. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
I finally have my floors back.
You got your floors back.
I mean, it's been since 1st of November.
Oh, this has been going on since November?
Yeah, I had it, it's been going on a long time.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, waiting to find,
Waiting,
to get all, I had to have drywall come in and paint.
Yeah.
And do all kind of things first.
When did the other company come in, when they try to get it off?
Oh, you mean it's my drywall?
No, when you said the company, when they
last week.
last week, okay.
They were searching for people after that, once I had the other work done.
Yeah, okay, awesome.